Hi guys, welcome to Puliadi's kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make simple and easy tomato chutney. Tomato chutney is usually served with South Indian dishes like idli, dosa, pongal, rava idli and many other snacks. You can also try this chutney with sandwiches, pakoras, parathas, etc. So without waiting, let's learn how to make this chutney. To make this chutney, I have taken 3 large tomatoes, half onion. I have washed, cut them and kept. We need 6 red chilies and some curry leaves if you have, and we need salt, sugar, vegetable oil and water. For tempering in oil, we need mustard seeds, urad dal, hing, chana dal, red chilies and curry leaves if you have. Let's start the cooking now. Switch on the stove on medium flame and in a large pan you can add 3 to 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil becomes hot, you can add half cut onions to this. Stirring well, you can cook the onions for 3 to 5 minutes until they become transparent. Nicely cook the onions until the raw smell goes away, so the chutney will taste really good. I'm going to add 6 red chilies to my chutney. If you want it less spicy, you can add 4 or 5 red chilies. Or if you want it more spicy, you can add more than 6 red chilies. Add some curry leaves if you have. Stir it well and see how nicely the onions are turning golden brown and transparent. You can add 1 tablespoon of salt and then you can add 1 teaspoon of sugar to this. Stir it well and cook for 2 minutes until everything blends well. You can now add the 3 cut tomatoes to this. Stir and cook the tomatoes for 5 minutes until the tomatoes become mushy. I make tomato chutney in different ways and this is one of my favorite chutney and I'm sure you're going to love it too. The tomatoes are cooked nicely now, so you can switch off the stove. Cool the chutney and then you can transfer the ingredients to the blender and you can grind the chutney. You can add some water to the blender before grinding. Blend the chutney for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes smooth like this. You can now pour the chutney to the pan. You can add about 1 cup of water to the chutney and stir it well. After adding water, you can switch on the stove on medium flame and you can heat the chutney until it comes to a boil. Chutney is almost done. We can switch off the stove now. Let's do the seasoning for the chutney. For seasoning, you can use a small pan and you can switch on the stove on medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to the pan. When the oil becomes hot, you can add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of urad dal, little bit of hing and 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Fry it until the mustard seeds start popping and the chana dal becomes golden brown. You can add 3 red chilies to this now. Add some curry leaves if you have. Chana dal has turned golden brown, so you can switch off the stove. You can add the seasoning to the chutney and your chutney is done. Your world famous, simple and easy tomato chutney from the Puliadi's kitchen is ready to enjoy. Lot of friends have asked for this recipe, so finally I posted it, and you can make some idlis and dosas along with this chutney and enjoy with your family. Thank you.